The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has consistently remained one of the most popular hybrid SUVs, offering a perfect blend of fuel efficiency, performance, and reliability. The 2026 Toyota RAV Hybrid continues this tradition, bringing notable improvements in design, powertrain, technology, and safety features. The 26 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid features a refined exterior that maintains its rugged yet sophisticated presence. Toyota has introduced a sleeker front fascia with an updated grille that sports a honeycomb pattern, contributing to an aggressive yet elegant stance. The LED headlights have been redesigned, incorporating adaptive lighting technology that automatically adjusts the brightness and range based on road conditions and traffic. Aerodynamics has also been improved with sculpted body lines and a more pronounced rear spoiler, enhancing both fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Toyota has also introduced new wheel designs, ranging from 17-inch to 19-inch alloy wheels, offering a stylish yet robust appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid continues to be powered by Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive system. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine is paired with an advanced electric motor setup, delivering a combined output of approximately 225 horsepower. The hybrid system has been fine-tuned for improved efficiency and responsiveness, providing smooth acceleration and enhanced fuel economy. The electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, ECVT, ensures seamless power delivery, reducing engine noise and vibration for a refined driving experience. The standard all-wheel drive AWD system now features an enhanced electronic on-demand AWD, which provides better traction on slippery or uneven terrain. Toyota has also introduced an updated regenerative braking system, which improves energy recapture and enhances overall braking performance. The estimated fuel economy remains impressive, offering around 42 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway, making the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its segment. Pricing for the 26 RAV4 Hybrid starts at approximately $33,000 for the base LE Hybrid and goes up to $45,000 for the top-tier limited hybrid or prime plug-in hybrid model. The 2026 Toyota RAV Hybrid builds upon its predecessor's success by offering improved efficiency, advanced technology, and superior safety features. Whether you're a city commuter looking for fuel savings, an adventure enthusiast in need of AWD capability, or a family searching for a spacious and reliable SUV, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid delivers on all fronts.